It's a video of the initial setup of a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Have a look at my unboxing video if you want to see what comes inside the box. This one I got the special holiday bundle, so I got a SD card and an extra battery with it. The SD card I'm using here is a different one. It's a 64 gig. You get a 32 gig with the holiday bundle, but I have some 64 gigs, so I'm going to be using one of those in the device. iPhone 11 here with the GoPro app already downloaded and installed. Go to the App Store to get that if you don't already have it. We're going to need that as we go through the setup. We should take this protective cover off here. It's just got a little bit of a corner up there just to make it a little bit easy for me. And then I'll take that off and we're back to the screen. I do wonder how many people turn it on at first without doing that and don't quite realise what's happening in there. What we're going to do here then is we're going to put the battery and the SD card in ready to use the device. So the battery, you find the side of the device and you look for a little clip underneath here, pull down and that'll go red, show you taking it up. Lift it up and you can see inside the compartment there for the battery, the SD card and the charger. So for this demo I'm just going to take this off fairly easily. Just put it to one side. It makes it a lot easier for me doing the demo and for not having to mess around with it shutting itself. I'm going to do the SD card first. So take the SD card, the metal connectors to the bottom, the brand label to the outside, and it goes into the slot there and push down. Push it down till it clicks and that's in place. Taking it out, press down on it, it clips out a little bit so you can get your fingers and pull it out. But since I need it in, I'm going to leave that one in there. For the battery, it's a particularly unique shape. So you can see there, what I want to do is turn it around, have the blue bit towards the bottom of the camera, and this bit here towards the bottom of the camera. Put that in, and that fits nice and snug. And you've got a little fabric here, to a bit of plastic to lift it back up and out. And then for the door, we just clip that back in at the top there, down from there, and clip it shut, and that's now shut. What we're going to do now then is start the app on the phone, on the GoPro app, and there we are. It's saying searching for camera, connect your GoPro. So go to camera, press the power button at the top. Camera beeps, put it down there so you can see both screens. Timed out on that one, so we'll connect the camera again. Hero 8 Black. Turn the camera on, my camera is on. And we just finished the wizard on here now, so we pick English as my language. Could go and read all the legal stuff if we wanted to on that one. We'll click agree on that one. Just bring that a little bit closer so you can see what's happening on here. I can get that in focus. Struggling with the focus a little bit. We want to know whether I want to capture the location where videos and photos are taken. I want on for that for GPS. And now it's saying install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So just put that back down again. On here, click continue. We found our GoPro. So connect camera on that one. Wants me to pair via Bluetooth. And there the camera's started up. Just pick my initials in there. That'll do for now. I can always rename it later. And now it's connecting, and we are connected. Tell me there's a camera update available. It's almost ready. Update your camera software. It's downloading here. It's got to wait for that up to 100% and then update camera. Wants to do this over Wi-Fi, which is always useful. That's going to be a lot faster than Bluetooth, so that sets up a private Wi-Fi connection between the camera and my phone, and then it starts downloading the firmware from there. Over-the-air updates are much better than having to link it up and do downloads via USB from your computer. New features in this version: this is Hero 8 Black 1.5. Extends Hypersmooth 2 capability to 4K 60 video with the linear digital lens, and general bug fixes and user interface improvements. Look at that. Wow, that is a lot of stuff to read. I suppose it's, you know, one of those things. You bought the camera, click accept and continue to use it, or don't. So we'll click accept and continue that one, and it's down. And the file's almost complete there. Hit 100% and it's installed in the update. So that was the file transfer. It's now putting it into the main firmware. The camera will probably give a quick reboot, and then hopefully it'll come back on, and I won't have bricked the GoPro before I actually get to use it. There we go. After a few minutes it comes up all done, so I click done on that, and my Hero 8 is now ready. I can click let's go. Okay, legal stuff. I am supposed to recommend, I suspect, that you should go and read all of that. You can get it off the GoPro website at any point if you want to go and read that. Personalization of data is a new one on these things as they go through into GDPR and modern day. So personalization data links use your usage to your GoPro account, helping us improve our products and experience. Don't have a particular problem with that one. They will get location data and things like that, but again, I don't have a massive problem. You can click no thanks if you want to on that. And I want to allow notifications. I'll allow those. That'll pop up the standard Apple one. The click me allow on that one. I can always turn them off if they get too annoying. Little bit of advert. Thanks very much for buying the camera you just bought. We've got another one that you may want to take a look at. And then we are back, and then you get a little bit of an intro to the app, but the camera is now up and running. So if I bring that up, you can see the image through the camera there as well as part of it. So that is now set up. I'm going to put it on charge, give it a go, see what type of footage I get out of it. Thanks very much.